third. So we'll be taking each of the nails, trimming each of her nails. This is pretty short, so she doesn't need much. Very gently. We don't want to hurt her.